Hey, let me show you how you can turn on and set up the quick gestures on the Xiaomi Watch S3. So first of all, you have to wear your watch, and after this you will have to actually swipe up to open the settings. And then from this, scroll down, go into the quick gestures and turn them on by clicking on this icon. Now we are going to, the watch is going to automatically turn on the rise to wake. So we have to just click here. And now as you can see, we've got actually two gestures. The rotate gesture, we have to rotate our wrist into the 90 degrees from this position to the left side. And we've got also the shake gesture. It looks like this. So let's get, for example, the first one, the rotate wrist. That's actually the preview. So we have to just rotate it like this. And below we can actually set this gesture. So we've got option to reject call, ignore call, take the photo, open the weather. We can actually find 1, 2, 3, 4 gestures. So for example, let's try to take the photo. We have to open the phone camera. So let's do this. There we go. And now let me just try if it works. Let's do this one more time. Okay, it looks like it's not working, so maybe we have to also open the camera just right here on watch. There we go. Let's try it right now. Yeah, as you can see right now, it is working. So you have to open the camera application on your watch, on your phone, and now when you twist your wrist, you can take the photos. Now let's go for this second gesture. It was shake wrist, so I also set it up for the take the photo. Let's see if it works. Or maybe we can go for the open weather. Yeah, it will be something different. Okay, it looks like it's not working. Okay, and now as you can see, we just turn on the weather. So maybe it will be useful when they're going to add some more features, because currently there's only 4 of them, and it looks a little bit weird when you're shaking your wrist like this to turn on the weather. Maybe this twist one will be good, for example, to turn on the flashlight. Yeah, I think it will be good. Also, if they add the another gesture to turn the wrist to the right side instead of the left one. But yeah, that's something new in this watch. You can tell me what you think about this gesture. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.